How to fix the Roblox Error Code 266 on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're being disconnected from Roblox due to the error code 266 that your connection is timed out error in Roblox, I'll show you how to fix this error code on your PC. So let's get straight to the point. First of all, you need to reset your network settings. To do this, simply open your settings. Now tap on Network and Internet. Now tap on Network Troubleshooter, and this will help you troubleshoot all the issues over here. And go ahead and reset your network as well. Once you're done with this method, finally restart your computer and check if the error has disappeared. Now if the error is still there, try resetting your network configuration setting. First, to do this, open the CMD in the search bar and this will open the command prompt. Make sure that you run this as an administrator. Now after that, type in NETSH winsock and reset and press enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Now type in ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. You can also try typing NETSH reset and press enter, and this will clear all the old DNS server cache from your computer. And finally, restart your computer and check if the error has disappeared. And if the error still appears, you can change your DNS server to an optimized one. So after you figure out which DNS has the lowest ping, you can go to Settings and then click on Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Tap on your network. Tap on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4 and then select Properties. Now, select Use the following DNS server addresses and type in 8888, and in the alternate DNS server type in 8800. Then tap on OK and you'll be done. This will give you the minimum, maximum and average ping of the server. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.